Kani kencing ke message kani kubor ke pengi pa eu. Bat iki pa ba roni ong ba kalau dia kapor ba pinyami. Pin wan kesan iki samlan mar belai kalau dia rasai kan dia sipos ni. Mantan presiden jam kene husu ba Sandi Sotun. Samla Sandi Sotun udan borok sisni apa klinik jam kene hu nomor belai kalau trai ke penia. Mentah pada baik itu samla wan pai biang wan song biang. Kani ke spirit jam ini kan samla. Ngakarpa bakinyawan pinyami ni isnong kitau ki jongpi. Pin wan hang ni ban ai bin sei lagi. Pen i yung ni ubreu. Ba ngim dai ki ba sak jam ni ke. Pen i ke sarkar India ba kam dai ban perlong kani ke jaka ka tin teknut ke jongka. But namar kata kadau ni hap ni teli ko ngajai pada. Klet nok ke politics, klet nok kata ke jingadat, klet nok kata ke jinga perjemut, ngin wan teli hang ni. But hang ni ru I am requesting the government of Meghalaya, please take this issue seriously. We know that you have spoken to the Union Ministry of Education, even to the Minister of Education, but take it up seriously because now even the High Court, the Honourable Meghalaya High Court, has given you up to 20 days. It has given the Nehru administration. From on the 20th, I think if nothing is done, this situation is not resolved, the Honourable Meghalaya High Court will have to take a suo motu call on this matter. And before it reaches that pass, before these children of ours, they suffer or serious consequences arises from this, please take the matter seriously. The CCCN, Kerpa, Hamtam, Yagi Knikba, Nidai Benyayam Tali, Sobha one page in Samla Sani, Sobha I Yakasan, Day Nahir, Remi Manta, Bagin Penikum Gazai Pendeu, Banginum sacrifice, Inum Pensneo, Yaka Kapuli Kaputi Kajongi, Hamtam Bakane Huka de School Ba, Kabala Peni Pon, Ibri Kajongi, Kibanang, Kipasta, Kibala, I Yakajin Tray. Kepala ai ke servis ia kini ke jela ke jungi bagi ke dan nomor kata kedau ni hapan ya da buram ia kini. We are also sending a message to the central government that you should choose vice chancellors of Nehru, persons who have an interest in the welfare and development of this area, people who understand the ethos, people who know the needs of our tribal communities, not only in Meghalaya, but in the whole of the Northeast.